Hello guys, so this is Milan from Hypermedia, and in today's video I want to talk about affiliate marketing, why it is good for individuals, for companies, basically for everybody, and why you should at least give a try. Okay, so what is affiliate marketing? What is affiliate means actually, and how you can picture it. So affiliate marketing is basically kind of influencer marketing. It's not completely influencer marketing, however, it's kind of similar to it. So it is um, think like you are selling something which is not yours to someone, and you are both benefiting from them. So you get a link or a code, which if a person buy through the link or with the code, you get a certain percentage of that. Basically, that's affiliate marketing. And yeah, that's influencer marketing too. However, a lot of influencers are in a paid salary content, kind of. So yeah, and why it is good for everyone. So let's see. For example, you sell a product. The product cost to the buyer $100. To you, you get a 10% cut. So you get $10 for selling a product, which is probably cost you nothing to sell the product, you just put it out. And the company that sold it has like a 30, 20, 30, 40% profit margin. So they give you 10% of that profit margin and they get like 10 to 20% profit margin. So they still make 10 to $20 on a product while they are giving you $10, and they had nothing to do with marketing. They don't have any problems, and they just give you a link out, and that's all. This is why it's good for everyone. This is why it is a win-win situation, because you win because you get $10, the company win because they get at least $10, but don't kid me, they probably get more than you. So yeah, this is good for everyone. So I this is why you should look into it, and how you can advertise or how you can start this affiliate marketing as an individual. So let's talk about that first. So the best way is if you have a platform, an IG, a TikTok, a YouTube, a social media platform where you can basically just put out your link and people will saw it, go on it, buy something for it, or you made a video about cameras, for example, and you have an affiliate link for every camera that you said, and they buy it, you get a 10% cut from it, or 5, just it doesn't matter. The thing that matters is the best is if you have a platform. However, there are companies that you can basically advertise for. The problem with that is if you advertise for a company, a lot of companies don't like that if they advertise, because if you are running a bad ad, then it's the company's name, not yours. So yeah, a lot of companies don't like it. But if you can, and you find a company that liked it or don't care about it, then you can run ads for them. However, the problem is if you get 10%, you have to sell the same $100 product. You have to get an average cost per buy is lower than 10. This is how you make money. So for example, if you run an ad for $100 and you sell 10, then you basically made no money. If you run an ad for $100 and you sell 20, you made 100. This is the problem with advertising for a different company, because you don't get all the profit margin you could have get from e-commerce, from dropshipping. Yeah, that's the problem with it. However, if you like to advertise or just like to try it and make some money, you can still. The best way is if you have a platform or build one, because if you build a platform with the money that you would have advertised for your product, then you could basically just advertise a lot of things in your platform, not just one thing. So yeah, I think you should build a platform around yourself, your personal brand, and you can get a lot of affiliates. So how you can choose from affiliate products? So there are a lot of affiliate networks which you can check out in Google or anywhere. Basically, there is one in Amazon. So if you post selling things on Amazon, or if you're doing your platform, and yeah, you can sell things from Amazon, you get good percentage there, at least that I know of. There are a lot of other affiliate networks which you need to look into if you want to start this. However, from this you can negotiate with companies to get long-term contracts to become an ambassador or influencer, if you like to call it, to that company, which basically two ways of it. They pay a salary, and your salaries go up when you sell more, or they pay you a smaller salary, however you get the commission rates. So yeah, that's the thing. So let's talk about the companies, how they can benefit from it. And now let's talk about why it is good for companies. So I think from the previous discussion it will be pretty obvious, but it's good because you don't have to spend on marketing. Yeah, you have to spend, but there, if you are spending for $10, let's say, for a marketing campaign per day, and you don't sell anything, for first of all, that campaign is shit. Second of all, or your product is shit, but you cannot change your product, so you have to change your campaign. So you don't sell anything. However, if you are hiring an influencer, an affiliate marketer, if they just get commission when they sell, so they don't get commission if they don't sell. So if you are running an advertising campaign, yeah, you probably get more out of your money. However, with an affiliate marketer or an affiliate marketing campaign or an affiliate program, you don't have to spend time on marketing. You don't have to worry about how it's going. You don't have to manage all the campaigns, redo audience size, audience location, geography, all the kind of stuff. You don't have to worry about it. You just actually have to get out links, and you don't do that either. So you have basically no problems if you are a company and running an affiliate program. So this is why it is so good to run an affiliate program if you are a company. And otherwise, you can get really good influencers from it. So you run affiliate programs and you can see who is performing the best. You go to that page, or if they advertise for you, you just ask them, or all that kind of stuff. So basically you can get really good influencers, cut with them really good deals, and yeah, basically you just get good influencers, and for a long-term deal, and you get more conversion for less, because if you cut a deal with them, you probably pay them less per, if you're, or maybe not, but in overall you get better. So yeah, basically that's it. Yeah, and everyone gets a company, to sum up, because it's easy to do it, it's good, it's working, and that's all. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it, and comment something down below for the algo, and for basically if you have any questions or recommendation what you want to see next, just comment down below. I'm going back to you, and will do that what you want to see. Basically that's it. And yeah, subscribe for more, guys. Goodbye.